Hey, what is up guys? Retral here back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a Queen logo on Android. So let's get started. Here I am in Pixel Lab, and for the text I'll choose the letter T just because this is an example. And when I chose my letter, I went to size, resized it to the maximum size. Then I need to find the font. Here it is, my fonts, and I will choose them in Vibes. You can choose any one, but I think this font is pretty cool. And I have to remove this part right here, so what I will do is I'll do it in Photoshop, but now I'll adjust the padding so it fits, okay? And I'll put the background to transparent and save it as image. Remember, the format needs to be PNG. Now we are in Photoshop guys, and the way I'll show you this tutorial is by putting a time lapse for you guys to follow, and these are just some tips that you can use to enhance your logo, but the dimensions, as you can already see, is 1000 by 1000. And of course guys, I'll see you all in my next one. Enjoy the time lapse. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed me making a logo for you guys. But anyways, you can like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to never miss a video. And also, I have one more thing for you guys, and that is that I'll be making more tutorials every weekend, so stay tuned. I hope I can see you all there, and that's all for this video. I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye.